We're cooking you today.
Hi, I'm Mark, and this is Mark's Thrifty Test Kitchen, where we test out recipes that save you money and still taste great, hopefully. I am not a chef, just a regular guy cooking real food on a real budget for real families. Meal prep if you're flying solo. And along the way, I'll throw in a few fun food facts so you can show off at dinner. Let's get cooking. Hey everyone again, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be trying out a recipe from Well Plated by Aaron. And we're going to make some slow cooker honey garlic chicken. Let me show you a picture of what it looks like here. I'll go behind the camera so I can get it to focus. Let's see here. Right there, yep, there you go. And mine, of course, probably won't look exactly like that, but I don't have any broccoli. I'm gonna go ahead and use like some zucchini or squash. I think I got some in the freezer. That's pretty much it. Let's get cooking. Here's what you're gonna need. Your chicken, soy sauce, honey, tomato paste, your favorite hot sauce or sriracha, that's what I'm using, your garlic cloves, rice vinegar, some cornstarch or flour, parsley, and some salt and pepper. Now let's prepare our ingredients by first dicing up our vampire repellent, the garlic cloves. Ever wonder why garlic was used in such a way when it came to storytelling? Well, it was very popular with the Egyptians, where they fed it to the workers because they believed it increased strength and fought infections. And as its popularity began to spread across the continent, its assumed characteristics began to be used in stories. The cool part is, garlic is actually scientifically proven to act as an antiseptic and can also help clean out your arteries, as it acts as a natural blood thinner. I'll let you decide how much you want to consume. I'm good at just putting it in my food for now. Now that your garlic is ready, time to mix in the rest of the liquids and make that sauce. Take your soy sauce, your honey, your tomato paste, the sriracha, or your hot sauce of choice, the rice vinegar, and mix it all up. I'm going to add my garlic later. This is another one of those taste times to make sure you get it how you like it. Don't taste bad. We're going to put a little more honey in it. Just a little bit. It's a little better. After that, go ahead and add your garlic if you hadn't already, and pour it over your chicken in the crock pot. And set that on low for 4 or 5 hours or high for 2 or 3. Just make sure your chicken reaches 165 degrees. Now that we have a little break, because we're slow cooking, let's learn a little something about this slow cooker. It came from the same man that gave us an early version of the lava lamp, Irving Naxum. According to his daughter in 1936, the slow cooker was his solution to summer heat, allowing the family to prepare meals without turning on the oven. But his claim to fame came in 1970 when he sold his business to Rival Manufacturing, where they did some tweaking on its versatility and then renamed it the Crockpot. And sales went through the roof, from $2 million in 1971 to $93 million in 1975. In today's dollars, that's just $600 to $700 million in crockpots. His invention has definitely made cooking easier and tasty. After your chicken is done, remove it from the crock pot as I did earlier, and we can work on making that sauce a little thicker. Mix in 2 tablespoons of flour or cornstarch and let it cook on a high for around 15 minutes to thicken up. And while that's cooking, you can shred up your chicken after it's cooled down for a few minutes. I saw someone use a blender and tested that out in our test kitchen. And I kinda like it. It only took a little over 2 minutes and seemed easier than using a fork. Just make sure you use a big bowl. After that, I put everything back into the crock pot and mixed everything up. For my sides, I fixed some rice in the pressure cooker and some frozen squash and zucchini. So, did the slow cooker honey garlic chicken pass the test? Taste-wise, 100%. Budget-wise, it's okay. Our goal for this channel is to stay between $10 and $15, and this meal is a little higher than our last one, but as long as you get your chicken and ingredients at a good price, it passes as well. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe so we can help you stay full and thrifty. Till next time.